I am the marketing manager and brand manager for Roeda Studio. We are a metal art company based out of Michigan. So we make home decor that is primarily magnetic. The majority of it is hand painted here in our studio. We have an all-women team here. We have a store here as well, and we've begun selling online as well. The most significant part is that it's been around for a couple decades now. We had launched our store on Shopify a couple years ago, and so that was a learning curve, and it was very rudimentary at the beginning. We just started researching and basically demoed 100 apps in the Shopify store. We were just testing so many, and then we found GemPages, and it really allowed the flexibility that we were looking for. So we began testing it out and have been using it for a few years now. We have seen an increase across our retail for the past 2 years, year over year. So it's been reassuring to know that the work that we've been doing with GemPages and all the landing pages we've been building have been resonating with our customers, and in turn have incited them to have a larger order value, come back more frequently, and just build a stronger customer relationship over the past couple of years. Given that the majority of our email marketing leads people to a GemPages landing page, there's no doubt that it has something to do with it. We think our customers really respond to how fun and colorful our website is, and I think a lot of that is able to be done through GemPages. We have a customer return rate of almost 60%, which is super high, and we just get a lot of customer testimonials on how much they love the website and how great it is to use. So I think we really thank both GemPages and Shopify for that. They work really well together. With the landing pages that our customers end up at from our email marketing, we utilize a couple of CTAs per page, so we definitely are able to convert, and especially with using the product placement on those pages and people being able to just add to cart immediately. We also use a slide out cart. The time spent on the website is pretty short because people will land, they'll add it to cart, it'll automatically pop out, and people convert pretty quickly. So it's great that all of that works so well, and it's pretty seamless for our customers. We've saved a lot of money being able to do this on our own. Tens of thousands of dollars. It's very comforting knowing that we are able to do a lot of things independently rather than needing to outsource to a web department or agency to do that for us. It's also nice having all of the control to do it ourselves, and being able to know exactly what our vision is and execute it. That's also valuable, but not tangibly. The most helpful has been being able to use the row function and the product, like the collection pages. So for us, we come up with new products on a routine basis for each season and holiday. And we want to be able to both have a collection page that also serves like a landing page for when we send out email marketing and want to land them on a page that has both like a title and text at the top and images out, in addition to the product function. On Shopify, you really only can just use a collection page, but you can't have any additional images, if that makes sense. We need our customers to see both the product and how to decorate it, so we have a lot of photos and videos. So being able to design pages that have both the collections and photos and explaining text and all of that has been really helpful. We have built a couple of templates of our own, so we're able to duplicate those, and we routinely redesign pages. For some context, we run promotions on a weekly basis, so we're constantly creating new landing pages for those marketing campaigns. So it's super easy to just change things out for next week's promotion. Scheduling it is such a nice function, being able to schedule the publish so you don't have to relink everything. It's super fast. It's great. We haven't had an issue with page speed and the loading speed. We've done some SEO work just to make sure that there aren't really many back-end issues that would cause the user's experience to decline. We had a lot of fun setting up all of our branded colors. We have a very consistent color scheme that's used throughout our products, and so being able to set all of those in GemPages, set all of our different fonts that we use, and just being able to build things pretty seamlessly and make sure everything follows our brand identity has been super helpful in that it just makes such a faster experience for us when we are continuing to build, not having to go back in and redo all the styling every time. It's really helpful that everything's just built in.